Hey everyone, welcome to the final leg of my journey. I'm wrapping up this epic ride that started all the way from Grand Concourse in the Bronx and heading back to New Jersey. This time, I'm letting the GPS take the lead, using my voice to guide me home. It's been an amazing adventure, and I'm so glad you've been along for the ride. As we near the end, I just want to say a huge thank you to all of you who've watched, liked, and shared these videos. Your support means the world to me. Don't forget to follow for more exciting dashcam content. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. More journeys, more adventures. Stay tuned because the road ahead is full of surprises. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye. Please like and share.
In a quarter mile, merge onto US 1 South, US 9 South. Continue on US 1 South for half a mile. In a quarter mile, turn right onto Southwood Avenue.
Okay, Gogo. Take me to Bank of America ATM, Northwoods Avenue.
Okay, the Bank of America ATM. Drive through 1 mile. In 800 feet, turn right onto Southwood Avenue. At the light, turn right onto Southwood Avenue. Play the news. In a quarter mile, turn right onto South Stiles Street.
Okay, Gogo. Take me to Bank of America, Northwoods Avenue. No, cancel.
I can't find Bank of America Northwoods Avenue.
Okay.
Where did you want to go?
Bank of America, Henry Street.
Take the next right onto South Stiles Street.